I am using Lavazza medium roast. Super crema. Actually, so far, mauni pinakalamig na coffee beans na ako ang natilawan. Lately sa my life. Especially ganina, kabalo ka akong damo ko ganina. Kinda like a recurring dream na always yun ako siya ginadamgo ever since. If ever pareha mo na ako nga mag-recurring dream, magsigidamgo aning certain person or certain scenario, I think clear jud kay nato it take personally jud. God has sent that dream for you to realize that sometimes there are things that we can't understand. Kung sa mga nahitabo sa past, between you and that person or between you and a scenario, siguro we have to move on na sa life. Na di na tayo magsigig dwell sa past kay it really never contributes sa atong future. Siguro if someone wronged you in the past, let's just accept it na it happens for a reason, for you to realize something na dili siya para sa imua or something like that. I hope you get my point, pero lagi I believe na si God rin makatubag sa atong mga na-experience or na-feel right now. So always should ta mag-pray ni God kay si God should mag-take over sa atong life if we submit everything to Him. Okay? I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for watching my vlog and God bless. Cheers!